and welcome back to another episode of Lone Star Diecast Racing. This is Tommy T, and today we're going to do another continuation of the Launcher Series, race number 3. And this one is going to be about trucks. So, let's get started by introducing our first set of racers, which is I think it's like a 69 C10. Like the grill. There's the side, top, and the rear. Alright. And our next truck is a Chevy Love. I wonder if we got the year on this one. 72 Chevy Love. There we go. Front, side, top, and the rear. Ooh, it even says Chevrolet. Nice. Alright. Alright, our second set of racers is going to be I think this is like a 2003, 2004 Ford Lightning. So, there we go. All right, and the next one is a GMC. What year is this one? 91 GMC Cyclone. I have one of these in black, but the blue one is faster. I ran it down the mega ramp. Didn't use the launcher on these, and this one seemed to be a little faster on the mega ramp or the 6-lane raceway. And our third set of racers, this one's going to be a 56 Chevy. This one's kind of a big boy, pretty heavy. Yeah, he's a chunk. Same thing with this one. This is another Chevrolet. This one is a Chevy Silverado. Didn't give me a year, but it's a later model. Okay. And now our fourth set of racers. We're kind of moving away from the street trucks. We're going to move on to some big trucks. And this one is a Chevy Silverado. And it's looking like a early 2020 maybe. So front, side, top, and rear. Alright, and then he's going to be racing a Ford Raptor 2017. So I think that truck is also like a 17 or 18, that Chevrolet. But here's the Ford Raptor. There we go. All right. So those are our contenders for tonight's Launcher Series race. This one is going to be called Trucks. So let's head to the track and let's get this race started. All right, we're here at the track, so let's get started. Pull back the hammers here. So first truck that's up is the 69 C10 and the 72 Chevy Love. Alright, so Chevy Love is in right lane, and C10 Chevrolet is in left lane. And here we go. Ooh, C10. Alright, C10's got the advantage. He's going in right lane. And Chevy Love, left lane. Alright, and here we go. And the C10 takes it in the first race of the first round. Alright, next race is the gold Ford Lightning. He'll be in left lane. And blue GMC Cyclone in right lane. And here we go. Oh! The Lightning came off the track. He wrecked. All right. The Lightning wrecked. So, Cyclone has the advantage. He's going in left lane. And Lightning is going in right lane. And here we go. Oh! They both wrecked. But the Cyclone wins. Alright. Cyclone is the winner of the second race in the first round. Our next set of trucks will be the 50 Chevrolet. He will be in left lane. And right lane will be the 2015 Chevrolet. And here we go. Oh! Well, that was no good. All right. 50 Chevy has the advantage due to the wreck. And 15 Chevrolet be in left lane. And 50 Chevrolet is in right lane. Here we go. Hey! Alright, we got a tie. Alright, we have a tie, so Chevrolet 2015 is going in right lane. And 50s Chevrolet, left lane. And here we go. Oh, man. Wrecked again. The 50 Chevrolet takes it. Alright, 50 Chevrolet, winner of the third race in the first round. Alright. Next up is Chevrolet 4x4. Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. And Ford Raptor. This one will be in left lane, and the Chevrolet is in right lane. Man, these are tight fit. Yeah, those don't work. Those don't work. But that one went farther. The Chevrolet went farther. Alright. Chevrolet went the furthest, so he's got the advantage. So we're switching lanes. Chevrolet will be right lane. if I can get it to fit. Yeah, these boys are too big. So we're going to go ahead and call these two guys a bust. Yeah, that's why they were flipping around. Wheels are too wide. Alright, so this is going to be a different race tonight. So this is going to be the semifinals. And they happen to be all three GM. So I guess we'll go with these two. And then this truck will get a free pass. So Chevy C10, right lane. GMC Cyclone, left lane. And here we go. Ooh, C10 Chevrolet has the advantage. Alright. Switching lanes. GMC Cyclone, right lane. Chevy C10, left lane. And here we go. Alright, Chevy C10 is the winner. Alright, Chevy C10 is our winner of the first race, or the only race in the second round. So we're going to go ahead and put him in right lane. We're not going to do the buy run pass for 50's Chevrolet. We're just going to go straight into the finals. So here we go. This is the finals. So Chevy C10, right lane, and 56 Chevy, left lane. Here we go. Alright, Chevy C10 takes it. He's got the advantage. Alright, switching lanes. 56 Chevy, right lane. Chevy C10, left lane. Chevy C10 has the advantage. Can he take it home? This is the finals. Here we go. And he takes it home. Alright. Our Chevy C10 is tonight's winner of the truck race. So there we go. That is our winner. Let's head back to the shop and talk about this truck. Alright, we're back at the shop. There is our winner. Tonight's winner is the Chevy C10. So he gets to move on to the ultimate finals race, which is the 9th race, but there's a total of 8 races for the Launcher Series, and then we're going to have an ultimate race, which is basically the championship, which will be race number 9. So he is in the number 3 spot as of right now for the championship race. So please stay tuned for more race videos. The Launcher Series is not over yet. We just got through with Launcher Series number 3. So we got 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we got 5 more. And then including the bonus race, which is the championship number 9. So remember, like, comment, and subscribe. And also remember, stay fast, stay cool. Good night.